Welcome, fellow culinary adventurers and emotional connoisseurs. Today, we're not just making ramen, we're crafting an experience. Prepare yourselves for the legendary Cry Ramen, a dish designed to soothe your soul and perhaps, just perhaps, elicit a single, perfect tear. This isn't just food, it's therapy in a bowl. Get ready to transform your kitchen into a sanctuary of savory sorrow and delightful despair. Let's dive into the ingredients that make this masterpiece possible. First, you'll need 1 packet of your favorite instant ramen. The cheaper, the better, for that authentic struggle and nostalgic flavor profile. We're aiming for comfort, not gourmet pretension. Next, gather 2 cloves of garlic, finely minced, and a thumb-sized piece of ginger, grated with passion. These aromatics are the foundation of our emotional journey. Don't skimp on the fresh stuff. For that signature cry factor, grab 1 small shallot, thinly sliced, and a generous pinch of red pepper flakes. If you're feeling brave, a dash of gochugaru will elevate the heat and the drama. You'll also need 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, a teaspoon of sesame oil, and half a teaspoon of rice vinegar. These liquids provide the umami depth and a subtle tang that awakens the palate. Crucially, procure 1 soft-boiled egg, perfectly jammy. This is your emotional anchor. A handful of chopped green onions and a sheet of nori, cut into strips, complete our ensemble. Begin by boiling 2 cups of water with the intensity of a forgotten dream. Once it reaches a rolling boil, add your instant ramen noodles. Cook them for 1 minute less than the package directions. We want them to retain a slight chew, a metaphor for resilience. While the noodles are dancing, heat a small amount of oil in a separate pan. Sauté the minced garlic, grated ginger, and sliced shallots until fragrant, about 30 seconds. This is where the magic truly begins. Add the red pepper flakes to the pan and toast them briefly, releasing their fiery essence. Pour in the soy sauce, sesame oil, and rice vinegar, stirring to combine. This aromatic elixir is your flavor base. Drain the noodles, reserving about half a cup of the starchy cooking water. Transfer the noodles to your serving bowl. Pour the aromatic sauce directly over the noodles, ensuring every strand is coated. Add the reserved noodle water to the bowl, stirring gently to create a rich, flavorful broth. Top your cry ramen with the perfectly soft-boiled egg, halved with care. Garnish generously with green onions and nori strips. 1 common pitfall is overcooking the noodles. Mushy noodles lead to a mushy experience, and we're aiming for profound, not pathetic. Always undercook them slightly. They'll continue to cook in the hot broth. Another mistake is neglecting the aromatics. Simply adding raw garlic and ginger won't achieve the same depth of flavor. Sautéing them properly unlocks their full potential, creating a more complex and comforting broth. Don't be afraid to adjust the spice level. Too little heat, and it's just ramen. Too much, and you're just sweating, not crying. Find your personal sweet spot for that perfect emotional release. Finally, remember the soft-boiled egg. A perfectly jammy yolk adds a creamy richness that ties the entire dish together. A hard-boiled egg simply won't deliver the same comforting embrace. There you have it, the official Cry Ramen recipe. Go forth, cook with intention, and embrace the delicious, cathartic journey. May your bowls be full and your tears be few or many, depending on your mood.